Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your device and assets. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to begin the initialization process for your new hardware wallet. Securing your device is crucial. You'll set a PIN code, which can be 4 to 8 digits long, to unlock your Ledger Nano S. The most critical step is writing down your unique 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your only backup, so store it safely and privately, away from your device. Never share it with anyone. Now, let's get your crypto ready. Through Ledger Live, you can easily install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your Nano S. To receive funds, simply open the relevant app in Ledger Live and generate a receiving address. Always perform a small test transaction first to ensure everything is working correctly before sending larger amounts. Sending cryptocurrency is straightforward. Start the transaction in Ledger Live, then confirm the details directly on your Ledger Nano S device. It's vital to always double-check the recipient address on your device's screen before finalizing any send. Remember to regularly update both your Ledger Live software and your device's firmware for optimal security and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.